I think it's very personal. It's also like there's so much variety as well. There's so much color, so it can suit so many different people. That's why I think it's really great to be here today.
Which type of design you like the most in your interior house and all?
For me, I actually like everything very simple and plain. Actually, saying that, I do love dark colors. Like I love deep sea blue, you know, so you feel like you're under like the ocean and things like that.
You look so fit.
Oh, thank you.
What have to say about your fitness?
So I work out a lot with my trainer, Imran Rampur, and we're always, if you want, you can catch us on the race course. We're always running around tracks there, and we're always doing boxing.
So any upcoming projects?
So yes, so I've just completed my series with Sony Live. That's House Proud, that's showing now. It's House Proud on season 2. I've got some great film opportunities, both in here and back home in London. So I'm very excited and I can't wait to reveal that. Also, I'm going to Cannes Film Festival. So it's going to be a very busy few weeks actually. So yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
सर एक मिनट सर मैम भी वीडियो मैम मैम यो ईशा मैम यो मैम 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 यो मैम
In the interior design and architecture publication segment today. Can I invite the publisher, Mr. Nari Hira, and the editor, Swati Balgi, to kindly join us for the unveiling. Put your hands together, please, to them. So before we unveil, for the past 16 years, Society Interiors has been holding the Society Interiors Design Competition and Awards. A competition for this year, the Society Interiors Designer Competition and Awards was presented by Marshall's Wall Coverings, India's #1 wall coverings in association with Ample Mission, an initiative by Dr. Anil Mukhara and Manish Mukhara. But firstly, can I invite Mr. Baldev Sharma, founder of the Marshall Wall Coverings, and Dr. Anil Mukhara to kindly join us here for the unveiling. Please put your hands together. And now, I'm sure you're all aware, ladies and gentlemen, we have a special guest with us here this evening. She has carved a niche for herself in this tinsel town. She made her debut in the Bollywood industry with the film Koi Mere Dil Si Puche, from where she went on to be part of many blockbuster movies like Lok Kardil, Uga, Doom, Das, No Entry, and many more. She is also involved with her mother, Hema Malini, in promoting traditional Indian dance performances. What more to say about this young and multi-talented lady? Everyone, please put your hands together for the gorgeous Isha Devi. Now I request Isha to kindly unveil the special issue cover backdrop. Ready? 1.
do with Stardust, Magnum Publications. Thank you so much. And interiors is very close to my heart. I really enjoy doing up my house many times again and again, and my husband gets the budget. And coming here for the launch of this magazine, I wish you all the very best, and many more years of your Society Interior magazine. And thanks for having me here.
Do you have any kind of preference of decor for the rooms and for your home?
It depends from the kind of room I'm doing up, and for the person involved in the room. Like if it's for me and my husband, our living room and our bedroom and all, it has to be matching to his taste and my taste, and that's a very tough job to do. I just did up my baby's room also, and in fact most of my wallpapers at home are from Marshalls only. So yeah, I'll come in and have a look at your new collection soon. And I think minimalistic with a little bit of jazz added. Something special it has to be.
And are you very hands-on involved in the process, or do you hire a professional?
I am extremely hands-on, and I'm so happy to see you here, Mr. Premnath, who's in fact our architect for our house. Yeah, round of applause. I feel at home here.
And what do you think of Society Interiors Design Magazine?
Well, it's really nice, and it's got a lot of Indian flavor to it as well, and it caters to not just a particular class of people. It caters to multiple people from different walks of life. Everyone can identify with the magazine and the interiors.
Thank you so much. Also, tell us more about the short film you're working on in your upcoming project. I'm sure everyone wants to hear what she's up to.
Well, I just had a baby. She's going to be 6 months. Thank you. So that was my recent project.
Okay.
And after that, I'm just doing a very sweet short film called Cakewalk, directed by Ram Kamal Mukherjee. And well, it's a really nice message out there for and I won't say just women, but men and women.
Oh, I can't wait to see it. Actually.
Yeah, it's sweet. It's nice.
So now I have some questions for Mr. Sharma and Dr. Neil Mukara. How do you feel to be associated with Society Interiors magazine and the awards?
Oh, the Society Interior is a very lucky mascot for us. We joined them on 24th at an award night, and then thereafter we had a big campaign on Wow 71. It was I think one of the best known campaigns that we had in the last 50 days. And it has beaten all records. For the collection has beaten all records, and we are one of, in fact today we are going to cut a cake in honor of that. It is the best collection, broken all records so far. So thank you very much. And Society Interior is a lucky mascot for us. Thank you.
And I would also like to ask our friends in the media, does anyone have any questions for our special guests here tonight? Raise your hands. Who has a question? Have I answered all the questions? Okay then, so I think I have. Okay, so, I heard an old voice.
Anil Murarka, how he's involved with this, with the magazine and
Good evening, friends. Well, Society Interiors, or rather I should say Magnite Raj, we have been associated with a couple of causes. Society Interiors, precisely if you're asking me, we have been associated with the youth at large. The man talking to you is by default also involved into about 48 colleges in Bombay. We have been trying to promote the youth at large for different genres of society. We have basically believed in something. Every child, there is a spark somewhere. It's not only about studies. It's about the extra curriculum where we come into. And when we talk about Society Interiors, it's basically what the young, bubbly architects, they groom them. They bring them, they give them that platform what they really require. So that's the reason probably I'm involved. Thank you.
And just to add a little bit to it, I would say that Marshalls is a brand, and Society Interiors as a publication when these two come together, there would be an explosion of goodies, explosion of good things to happen, where we are going to encourage the architects, the interior designers, recognizing them for the good job that they are doing, their creativity, and also encouraging that talent which is there in the colleges for the architects and interior designers. I think that award encouragement is something that we are really looking forward to encourage the young breed which is coming up, and that's the aim that we are.
आज बहुत ही अच्छा हुआ है यहाँ पे सोसाइटी इंटीरियर्स का मैगज़ीन कवर को लॉन्च करने आई थी मैं, और इट्स वेरी नाइस दैट दे एनकरेजिंग यंग टैलेंट एंड इट्स क्वाइट अ this magazine caters to all kinds of people from different walks of life too. मुझे इंटीरियर्स बहुत पसंद है, और इतना पसंद है कि हर 2 महीने में मैं कुछ ना कुछ चेंज करती रहती हूँ घर में। तो मेरे पति काफ़ी बोलते कंट्रोल करो, बट आई रियली एन्जॉय इंटीरियर्स एंड आई थिंक इंटीरियर्स एक आपका घर आपका सुख होता है, और अगर आपका घर सुंदर हो और आपके तरीके के हिसाब से आप सजा सके तो आप उसमें और खुश रहोगे। बिल्कुल, बहुत सजाया है बेबी का रूम, और इंटीरियर्स मेरी इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर नूरीन जुमानी ने किया है, और सब वॉलपेपर हम लोग यहाँ से मार्शल से लेते रहते हैं। काफ़ी फ़र्क होता है उसमें। पहले मेरे घर में किचन खाली स्टोरेज के लिए होता था, अभी देन जब भी भरत मेरे बॉयफ्रेंड बने तब किचन का फाइनली यूज़ हुआ। पहले बार गैस को ऑन किया था, चाय बनाने. तो lot of difference before marriage and after marriage in your house.
के बाद अपने फिटनेस पर ज़रा बहुत ज़्यादा सुधार भी किया, उसके बारे में क्या कहना है? किस तरह अपने
फिटनेस तो हर एक इंसान को फोकस करना चाहिए, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. नॉट जस्ट टू लुक गुड, आप एक हेल्दी लंबी ज़िंदगी जीना चाहते हो तो फिट रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
केक वॉक के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे.
केक वॉक एक शॉर्ट फिल्म है जो मैं पहले बार अभी आफ्टर मदरहुड मैंने साइन किया है, और बहुत ही स्वीट स्टोरी है. और राम कमल एक अच्छे टैलेंटेड इंसान है, उनमें बहुत सारे हिडन टैलेंट्स है जो अभी जाके केक वॉक में भी मालूम पड़ेगा आपको कि ही इज़ गुड एट डायरेक्शन एज वेल. और इट्स गॉट अ ब्यूटीफुल मैसेज फॉर एवरीवन आउट देयर.
किस तरह जुड़ी आप केक वॉक से? उसके कुछ
केक वॉक से किस तरह जुड़ी मैं, देखिए राम कमल और हम लोग का एसोसिएशन बहुत सालों से है. इज़ लाइक अ फैमिली फ्रेंड. तो काफ़ी वक्त से हम दोनों मिलकर चाहते थे कि कुछ क्रिएटिवली करें साथ में. तो आफ्टर लॉट ऑफ ट्रायल एंड एरर केक वॉक वर्कड.
देखा जा रहा है कि बॉबी भी बहुत फिट नजर आ रही है इस वक्त रेस के. उस पे आपका क्या कहना है?
आई थिंक ऑल द देओल्स आर फिट. वी हैव गुड जीन्स.
एक्साइटेड हैं आप उनकी फिल्म के लिए, रेस के लिए? और
सबके फिल्मों के लिए एक्साइटेड हूँ. एंड आई विश एवरीवन ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर ऑल द मूवीज़ कमिंग आउट, न्यू मूवीज़.
लास्टली आज इंडिया में बड़ा सेंसिटिव एक मुद्दा उठा है, उसके बारे में क्या कहना है? आसिफा रेप केस के बारे
मैं उसके बारे में
में. थैंक यू.
थैंक्स अ लॉट.
ओके.
I think we are all, not just women, but the entire nation is, against this kind of nonsense that is happening in our country. And हर एक बार अभी आसिफा के बारे में है, उसके पहले निर्भया था, उसके पहले कुछ और ऐसे कुछ बहुत सारे और भी होते रहते हैं जिसके बारे में मालूम भी नहीं पड़ता है. And I think, it's time, it's about time for sure that the main person has to remove a strict law and definitely give a very harsh punishment for the person doing wrong. And definitely it should be so threatening that आगे जाके कोई भी ऐसे चीज़ करने के पहले 1000 बार सोचे. और ये भी कहना चाहूँगी कि इस मामले को लेके देयर आर प्रोज एंड कॉन्स. ऐसे भी होता है कि बहुत सारे लोगों को गलत इल्ज़ाम भी लगाया जाता है. तो दैट्स वेयर द थिन लाइन हैज़ टू बी ड्रॉन. एंड इफ़ एविडेंस एंड प्रूफ इज़ देयर देन यू हैव टू किल द रॉन्ग डूअर.